Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, before we get into the reasoning, viewers, we have a wide variety of content, diverse reasoning right here on the channel. So if you no one there for the reasoning about the issues, you can go watch one of my other videos about some other situation. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently, I called for Ernest Smith and Tamale Sparta's legal team for do something, because I noticed that the fact that them put off in tribunal date, him answer the question them and them still have him behind the bars, them are going to place a charge on the artist. Now, exciting news, the B.A.R Association, yeah, as you know, you can be a lawyer, but unless you have passed your B.A.R exam, you cannot practice law. Them have something interesting to say. Guess what they have to say? They must say it is illegal what is taking place with Tamale Sparta. Let me explain. Now, attorney, viewers and subscribers, at law, yes, because in passed the B.A.R exam, Lambert Johnson, president of the Cornwall B.A.R Association, over the side there, yet the North Court side. Now, he told a major tabloid recently that being repeatedly listed as a person of interest could lead to the perception that the affected person is being deliberately targeted. If approximately every year the police pick you up, have you in custody, and declare you a person of interest, and then you are released and not charged, after a while it begins to feel like victimization. After a while it will seem like you are being targeted, said Johnson. Now, this is one of the reasons, viewers and subscribers, the JCF has taken this into consideration, and that is why they have decided to, yes, we will hold him under the SOE, but they know that if they do not place a charge on the artist, this time one of their members will be seen in court for what is taking place with the artist. This is an artist with a thriving career, and every year you take him off of the streets, every single year. Now, senior attorney Don Foote, in commenting on Tamale's options, criticized the police and their alleged practices of releasing detainees and then taking them back into custody under the SOE. He said, Mr. Tamale can always sue for false imprisonment. That's how the law works, because one is presumed innocent until proven guilty. But you, yes, some are to in the streets, and the JCF, just take innocent persons into custody, lock them up, and then release them. You can't do that, because these individuals have lives, them have careers, these individuals have obligations, and they are not obligated to the fact that because you cannot prove or do your job that you are tasked with, but take time from their lives and sit behind yourselves and help you do your job without compensation. Even though the people have now no money from you, but you don't take them off of the streets, you don't take them from them jobs, take them from them homes, take them off of them whoever them do, and carry them behind the bars. Now me hear some people say, oh, and that for Tommy, listen to me. How come in a dancehall music people have this strong love for hardcore lyrical content, but anytime an artist put out hardcore lyrical content and then something like this take place in them career, the same people them like them want to say yes and condemn the artist, justify the actions of the JCF based off of just few persons' opinion. You hear one person read that statement, I blame Tamale Sparta, and people who they claim are his associates for various situations. Some of the worst things we have heard are taking place in the north coast of the island. Remember the incident will take place at the Sangsters International Airport, and yes, every citizen of this country, even ones residing overseas, was saying no, that was a step too far. Even though we know that this is our go on. It is not that people were afraid to take it to this level. It's just that there was some level of respect and people acknowledge the boundaries and why there are do's and don'ts in the streets. Not that people couldn't do what them do. It's just that they chosen not to. Now, yes, these things were atrocities, for better choice of the words. But how do they link to Tamale Sparta? Other than the fact that you're going to get an individual to say, him tell me to do it. There's no way to establish a firm link. Now, when we say presumed innocent, some people don't understand what presumed innocent really means. It means that no matter how you hear say, that person you do it. In the court of law, you cannot treat them as such. Because it has been proven many times. Say, I know, so it go. You have people where say that individual that do it and we'll check something that is called an alibi. We realize that the individual was nowhere near that vicinity. And people are trying to place them there. These situations have taken place in a mobile. The JCF has not stated if Tamale Sparta was a resident of the community during the years when these situations had been taking place. Now you know it. Come on thinking. People are say, boy, I am friend them in B.A.R and so what you want to say? Everybody from the community. So which community do you reside in? Majority of we are not from uptown. Because we know majority of citizens do not reside uptown. So where are you from? Which valley and plain are you from? And are they not members of your community? Who people would dub as such? And can it not be easily said that you and them are friends? I don't like going like on the hardcore in the streets and say, yeah man, me a G and V. And when situations like this take place, you know, take time to draw on yourself sideways like crab. I draw on yourself like when I say, no, me not associate with that. That's the culture of some of the people. Tamale Sparta viewers and subscribers, in my opinion, has to be presumed innocent until proven otherwise. Because if we don't have that, then where is the constitution? Where are we as a people? If you can hear say about people and then pass judgment, you can speculate all you want, make your mind up. But remember, in a court of law, you are always presumed innocent. And this is now becoming something where we can say them a target Spartan. Every year, so. When you can't prove nothing, at least wait until they can prove what you are proved before you go for the person. I'm going to think them say them want to file an APS corpus. You can't just do this every year. Now, we are saying yes, the task is at hand, and we have tasked the JCF with, the task that they have been given. But, come on, in a mobile, this can't be the solution. Even while Tamale Sparta is behind the railing right now, there are still situations taking place in the same parish. So what good has it done? That's what we are talking about. But it has affected the lives of his children. The woman in his life, Mummy J, his brother and sister them. It affects all the people in a team life. While for the greater good of the community, of the parish, of the island, it has done nothing. Tamale Sparta behind the bars has not curtailed the situation where it takes place. We don't see the numbers, but we don't see the numbers depreciate since in the behind the railing. We don't see nothing like that take place. Talk to me. Talk to me. What you feel about the situation where it take place? Do you feel like yes, Tamale Sparta and his legal team should pursue some actions against the JCF for this yearly situation where it take place? Every year, Tamale Sparta visit a cell. And even the B.A.R Association is now taking note and I say, watch out. There is precedence right here, so for a lawsuit against the government. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content, as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right just upon the platform. Yeah man, the like icon there too, drop a like on the blog. The share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Yeah man, now move settings fam, I wouldn't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.